Have you heard that the Not Too Shabby Shop is hosting a 2-day crafty retreat this fall? And I am excited to be one of the instructors. Hey, it's Beth. Welcome. So if you haven't heard, the Not Too Shabby Shop is hosting a 2-day crafty retreat this fall. It's September 14th and 15th, so it's like 2 afternoons. There are 8 different instructors that are teaching various projects. There's some like a couple one-sheet wonder type card making classes. I'm doing a gratitude journal, like an easy beginner's gratitude journal. There are some gift card holders, some coloring techniques, how to make your own pattern paper for card mats or card bases. So there's a lot of different things. It's not just card making. There are a lot of different things going on, and registration is free. I will have the link below to register. And if you would like, as an add-on, you can purchase the kit that Not Too Shabby Shop created for the retreat. It is not required. All the instructors will most likely be creating with items from the kit, but you are welcome to craft along with whatever it is you have on hand, or you can purchase the kit. So I'll have that linked in the description box below as well for you. It will be an affiliate link, which just means that I get a very small commission for any purchase you make through that link. It does not cost you anything extra. So the retreat, like I said, is free, but if you do decide to purchase the add-on kit, it does have a lot of great things in it. So Jamie's curated a lot of great items, and I love the color palette. We'll start with the paper pad here. You can see the color palette. It's soft pastels, kind of muted jewel tones. And the pad, it does have some pumpkin images in it, but it's not overly fall. There's a lot of floral patterns, which, you know, could really translate to any season. But I just love the colors and the florals. I just think it's gorgeous, gorgeous, gorgeous. So that's the 6x6 pad. And then she's got some enamel dots that have a little bit of glitter to them to coordinate. And then there's also a set of ephemera pieces that go with it. There's some of the girls that are included a lot with their ephemera, and then just some florals, some other nature images, some little foxes, woodland creatures, and then, so again, it's not overtly fall, but there are some fall images, but it does, like, the color palette matches the pad. And then the theme of the retreat is enjoy this life. That's kind of why I decided to go with a gratitude journal. Like, that's something people tend to use in the fall. And so I decided that in enjoying your life, like, you can appreciate the things you have, appreciate what's going on. So that's kind of why I went with the journal idea. But there is a die included with the kit as well, and it says enjoy this life. You can kind of see what it cuts right there. The die is 2 pieces. It cuts the words enjoy this life, and then it's got kind of like the outline mat that goes behind it. And another fun thing is that this is actually designed by LV Handcrafted, who's Lynn. She designed this die. She does a lot of like one-sheet wonder templates and for card making, and she's created another die for Not Too Shabby so far. She took one of her one-sheet wonder templates and created it into a die, so it cuts a whole 6x6 sheet of paper. So it's really cool that Lynn is getting to do some of this, and so she has created something for this kit as well. There is a stamp set that's got a lot of cool images on it. There are a lot of fall images and some fall sentiments, but there's also some non-fall, like find joy in the simple pleasures, give thanks. And then like some other woodland items, but then you do have a lot of pumpkins and the little box guy is cute. But to go along with the stamp set, there's also a coordinating die set. And then the last part of the actual kit is this perfectly plaid stencil. So you can also create your own pattern paper if you want to go along with some of this. And then I know I'm late getting my video up just because I've had a lot going on and haven't had a chance to get this out. But if you order by May 31st, if you order the kit by May 31st, you get a free 6x6 paper pad that is the Fall Life plaids. And so it coordinates, the colors coordinate really well with the colors in the Fall Life pad that I showed you in the beginning. So this is only if you order by May 31st. But remember, registration for the actual retreat is free. You don't have to buy the kit. That is totally optional. You can, like I said, always craft along with something that you have on hand. You can pull out some of your own fall products. But I will say there are a lot of great items in this kit. So again, information will be linked below if you are interested in checking that out. The retreat again is the September 14th and 15th, and there are 8 different instructors. And so I will have some images at the end of this video with just some more information about the retreat and who the instructors are. And like I said, there's kind of a really great range of projects that are going to be taught through the classes. There's also some giveaways, there's live chats, so there's a lot that's included in this crafty weekend. So the hope is that you just enjoy this life with a little bit of crafting and the crafty community. If you have any questions, let me know. Otherwise, you can check out the information here in just a moment and in the description box below. But as always, thank you so much for your time and hope you all have a very crafty day.